Hey guys, it is Quincy with SlightlyBetterWife.com. Here to show you some new Sharpie pens I got. I found these Sharpie pens when I was out school supply shopping and I was like, yes, I need these, but they were expensive. So went on Amazon and ended up ordering them a few days later. So it's a Sunday afternoon. My husband is painting out in the main area. I'm here in the homeschool room. A couple of kids are in the backyard. The girls are in the kitchen. It's crazy, okay? I'm just telling you up front, it's crazy. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to open these pens right here, right now. I'm going to turn my camera with my tripod down here onto some scratch paper so you can see how they write. And then I'm going to say goodbye, turn off the video, and I'm going to write with them in these morning time binders that I just put together. So you guys know I'm a homeschool mom. I just put together with my girls 3 binders because I'm just basically kind of homeschooling the 2 middle kids. I mean, we're all still learning and I'm still their mom, but so I'm going to be writing on these little tape tabs that I made. Okay, now you know what's up. Let's open them and see how they are. So these are Sharpie S Gel. The ink is black. I honestly just kind of fell in love with the fact that they're pure white. I just thought they were kind of cool looking and it'll set them apart in the drawer. So if it is a great pen, it'll be easy to find. All right. Can you see me opening this? Let's pop one out. Okay, here comes the moving the tripod and all the stuff I have on the desk. Can you see this? Not that I can hear you answer because I'm recording this. Okay. Oh, and here's my stack of books I just picked up last weekend. Pretty excited about those. All right. It's got a clicker. That's fun. It's got a gripper that is not too hard and it's not rubbery soft. That is interesting. Like, you know how the grippers are sometimes like really rubbery? This is not, but it's not hard, like painful either. That's a good grip. Man, they did good with that. And then it has 0.7. I'm not great at zooming in. This is why I'm not a career YouTuber. Okay, let's just get started. Oh, well, it's got a rubber end you pull off. Shows you how often I get new pens, huh? Okay, I'm sure that would have gone smoother had I pulled that off in the first place and not shoved it down on there. All right. Ooh. It glides nice and smooth. I like that. It does make a little bit more of a noise. Can you hear that almost scratchy sound that it's making? I don't love that necessarily. Let me put some more paper underneath it and see if that's maybe just a desk issue. I'll just do it this way and not necessarily the pen. Oh no, it is still a little scratchy, but it's got a nice thick line. Yeah, I think that writes pretty good. Okay, I'm going to definitely be sticking one of these in my purse and throwing the other 3 in the drawer and, you know, we'll just use them like we do normal pens. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, go out and do something awesome. See ya.